Hello my friends, welcome back to Goofy Bastard's channel. And if you're wondering who Goofy Bastard is, it's me. So anyway, I've gotten a couple comments on a couple of my videos actually. One comment was a while ago, and I'm sorry it's taking so long to get to this, but somebody had asked me to do a walk around of the bike and show more of the features of the bike, show more of the options. And like I said, I'm sorry it took so long. So I'm gonna do that, and somebody asked me to show more of the handguards and focus on the handguards a little bit. So I'm going to find me a place to pull over. And can I beat this U-Haul? Yeah, I can beat the U-Haul. Fuck the U-Haul. So I'm going to find a place to pull over and do that.
Alright guys, so we pulled over here, and here's the bike. So for a more in-depth view, start from the front. Now, there really aren't any options. There are accessories for the Vaquero. So what you buy is what you buy, and then you just add on what you want. So one thing I did get from the dealer when I purchased the bike, before I took delivery, I put on the auxiliary lights. Now they normally come in chrome, but when I had everything apart, I painted them black to match in here. If you don't have these, you would have a set of louvers here. So, but that's what it comes with. Something else I bought when I purchased this bike was the famed iPod connector. Now, Kawasaki doesn't make this anymore, but if you look, this is basically what it is. Connections into the bike, and there are connections in that hole. I don't know if you can see it, probably can't see it. And then you plug your iPod in, and it would play music through this stock radio. This obviously isn't the stock radio, so we really don't need that anymore. So, but it worked great while, you know, I had it. So we'll start over here on the right side. So we got hazards, you know, on a switch, start button. Your S button is your modes for your dashboard, and I'll turn that on here so you can see. Oh, another feature about the Vaquero and a lot of the other Kawasaki's is you can take your key out and you can put the key in your pocket. So, all right. So over here we got the modes. You move it to the left, and it is your, right here, it's got your range, and it's got your average miles per gallon. You move it to the right, you got your odometer, you got your trip A, your trip B, and back to your odometer. Down here is your cruise control buttons. Power on, set, all that stuff. So you do have cruise control in this, electronic cruise control. All right. So then you come over to this side, and you got high beam switch. You got the high beam switch. Got the horn button. Now, the horn button, I think they should have switched these up, because it's much easier to get to the horn button if it was here. But it's, yeah, you got to get used to it. You got your turn signals. Then you got all your radio controls. Now, with this, obviously, it is a aftermarket radio. Aftermarket speakers. So I still have control because of the, I put in an SWIRC unit when I put the new radio in. So, all right. So we saw this compartment over here. Now the right side compartment, I do have a lot of shit in there, so forgive me. I have, you know, my registration, tire gauge. I do have a Bible, and I do have, shout out to Purple on 3. I have my motorcycle rock. I have never filmed my motorcycle rock while I'm out on a motorcycle, but here's my motorcycle rock. Ride motorcycle now. Purple on 3. Love you, girl. All right. So that's that. You can, I mean, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. All right, so down here, something that a lot of Harleys don't come with anymore, a heel toe shifter. I love that. You got your crash guards, you know, in the front, got your crash guards in the back. And let's walk around to over here. You got my sweet looking helmet there too. So it is a 1700 6-speed. So yeah, it's got a nice big brake pedal, nice floorboards, crash guards in the back. All right, so this is the bag. They are side opening bags. I personally like them better. I think that I can get, I don't know about more stuff, but more awkward stuff. Because a buddy of mine does have an Ultra Classic, and him and I have the same lunchbox. And I can fit it in here. I asked him, hey, check and see if you can slide it in your bag. And he can't. So, to me, I think that's better. This is my opinion. So, but I mean, it's spacious. And, you know, I personally like the side opening bag. Now on the other side, I'm not going to show it, but on the other side, on the door, there's actually like a net. You can put extra stuff in there. So, but yeah, I hope, so like I said, I've done before in my previous videos, you know, the bar, I did the bars, I've done the audio, I've done the exhaust. So, you know, the other thing we're going to talk about here is the handguards. Okay, so these handguards, they're universal fit on, I think it was eBay. I'd put the link down in the description of the handguard video. So what you got to do, they mount to the pivot point. I don't know if you can see that underneath there, right here. They mount to this pivot point for the levers. All right, this bolt that goes through the levers. All right, so it mounts there, and you can see the nut I had to use. So I actually have an extra nut, but it's not black like those are. So this is what the nut looks like, okay? See how it's got the recess in? And you gotta drill out the bracket, and then you slide this up. This way you can get a better bite with this versus the stock bolt or stock nut. So, so yeah, that's how they go on. And I mean, you, like, if you get them, you might have to make some adjustments. So, but that's basically, you know, what they look like. So, yeah, so if there's any more questions about anything on the bike, I hope that covered everything. Give you a little bit more information on the Vaquero, give you a little bit of hand controls, and show you around the bike a little bit. So, all right, guys, hope this works out for you.
All right, so that was the walk around of the bike, showing the handguards, focusing on what the bike has. I hope that has helped anybody who wants to see the Kawasaki Vaquero, you know, see what it's like, what it is, what it's about. I mean, we all know it's a motorcycle, but so until next time, my friends, stay safe and love one another. Peace.